Hello and welcome to Brook End Garden. I'm Steve Johnson. Me and my wife Maggie developed this garden over the last 18 years. I hope you enjoy your visit, there's lots to see. When we arrived here in 2002, the garden was very much grass and conifers, real 1970s. But now we've developed it into a series of rooms. This is a formal herbaceous border and a wild garden with a pond and a woodland walk. There's also our vegetable garden, which includes some soft fruit as well. And of course, there's the orchard. To add to these features, we've had some more fun things. The fish pond, about 5 metre diameter, built of bricks. And the hot garden, with its wonderful tinkling fountain, which is really great on a really hot day in summer. And of course there's our summer house, which is unusual because it has a very large reservoir underneath it, which is used to store rainwater from the house. It's spring. Broad beans and garlic are coming up nicely on the raised beds. The greenhouse is full of young plants being grown up ready for the new season. The fish have woken up. The water temperature's high enough now, and so they want to start feeding. This is the season of flowering shrubs. This berberis is particularly fine, as is this camellia. We also have a spinney of native trees, cherries and guelder roses to be blossoming. And of course there's the fruit blossom. Here's one of our pear trees and a greengage. But this is the season of the bulbs. Margaret has quite a collection of tulips. Some of them are big and blousy, and some are quite tiny. They're spread throughout the garden. This is one of her favourites. This is an erythronium in the spring bed. These are species tulips, tiny ones, also some narcissi. This is the last of the few narcissi. Most of them are finished flowering by now, but there are still some latecomers. We're particularly keen to encourage wildlife in the garden. We have many nest boxes. This particular one is the home of Betty the blue tit, who's busy building her nest. We also like to encourage many insects, helpful insects, into the garden. The wild pond attracts many different animals, and we breed many amphibians and dragonflies in it. It is surrounded by a wildflower meadow, which teems with insects during the summer. Well, that's the main features of the garden. Now just sit back and enjoy some views taken over the 2 weeks of the Easter holiday period.